Smoothies are my favorite fast food on the go, but people often complain that they feel hungry. So here's how to make your smoothie a meal, a complete meal. So I start with water because I like to hydrate. This is one of the best ways to water your brain in the morning, which is gonna wake you up. I do a higher fat, low sugar, low carbohydrate diet. So I like to add some extra fat. So I use unsweetened almond milk that I add to it. A little bit of greens, so I add some spinach because I want the fiber. Not too much fruit, so I don't do more than a quarter cup of fruit in mine, so some sort of berries or cherries. Then I like to boost my greens. So I add some super greens, that will give me lots of antioxidants. And then a scoop of protein, you can either do chocolate or vanilla, whatever your preference is. I like a plant-based protein, we make a great one that has 2 grams of carbohydrates. That's really hard to find. So it's all protein and lots of fiber. And then how you're gonna make this last longer is by adding either almond butter, unsweetened to make sure it does not have sugar, or a little bit of coconut butter. Either one will work, or both. You can do both. And that's all you have to do. You're gonna feel satisfied and hydrated and refreshed with this. I like my smoothies thin because I want that hydration, but if you like them thicker, add a little ice or a little less fluid to it. And there you go.